Hi guys, I'm back again with new song list. I'm reacting to Arthur Gunn puts an incredible spin on a Creedence Clearwater revival classic song, American Idol 2020. So guys, those who are watching this video for the first time, then please subscribe to the channel Indian Reaction 2.0. Comment down below who is type of video you want to watch. Hit the bell icon for notifications. So without further ado, let's get the video started. See you all guys.
Next up, Arthur Gunn is taking the opportunity to reprise his song from his first audition. But this time, he has a new arrangement made with the band in mind.
For the solo round, I'm gonna perform Have You Ever Seen the Rain by the CCR. I had done that song before in the audition in Milwaukee, but at this point we have come very far, so I'm gonna be doing my own version on it. I've changed the scale of the song and the key displayed in. It's gonna be...
He's just changing the scale and keys for this song, and I hope this song goes well. So this is the second time I'm watching this video because he just performing when we just fast performing in audition, I guess so, and this second time I'm watched, but it's different version.
Very different kind of vibe.
If you believe in this, I think you should.
Let's do it, man.
It is very experimental, but I think it could sound good with the band.
Basically, if they don't nail it on the run through, it might not happen. Yeah. You know what I mean? We'll have like one chance to run. So.
Yeah.
Yeah, and we're doing everything we can to make it happen. Like Matt said, he's giving you a fighting chance. So.
It is quite a risk, but it's worth a try.
I'm gonna listen to what you're doing here.
Okay.
And then we may run just a little bit at the end again, but
Yeah.
I'll just hear what you're doing first.
Alright, sounds cool.
Okay, cool.
Yeah. Have you ever seen the rain? We did pretty
Wow, man, this guy is insane.
good rehearsal, but I felt it could have been better.
So it doesn't look like the band's gonna be able to do it, but I think the keyboard was trying to. Chris, the musical director, was playing with you a little bit.
Wow, this band does not doing it because they got some problem, I guess, so that's why they cannot make it. But I feel like they gonna make it. Okay, so whatever next time.
But that's about it.
Despite their best efforts, the band doesn't have enough time to learn his complicated arrangement. So with only a few hours to go, Arthur has to scramble to come up with a new plan.
I would still want the band to be, but I think it was too short time for them to arrange with my arrangement. So just gonna be the guitar and the voice and no band. I have to do it just by myself. I don't have a choice.
So he just have to be himself, and he does not have any choice. So I know Arthur Gunn gonna do his best. I know that.
Someone told me long ago there's a calm before the storm. I know it's been coming down for some time. But I wanna know,
Wow.
have you ever seen the rain? But I wanna know, but have you ever seen the rain?
Wow, this guy got amazing talent, man. He probably gonna win this American Got Talent show, American Idol show, I guess so, because he just do his best, and I like it.
Coming down on a sunny day.
I like it, man. I really like it. The guy is insane. This guy gonna win this show, I guess so, because he is so talented and so passionate about his music, and he got perfect voice. So guys, those who are watching this video for the first time, then please subscribe this channel Indian Reaction 2.0. Comment down below who is type of video you want to watch, and hit the bell icon for notification. Bye bye, have a great day, and be positive in your life. Thank you.